This is great.
What's great?
I just found out that Thomasville Store Meridian's having a huge big sale.
Cool, let's go.
We can't. Thomasville's closed till Saturday.
Wow, must be easier to have a sale without the customers.
No, but you can get ready for a sale, and when you're done, everything at Thomasville is 40% off, even custom orders. And closeout floor samples are 50% off or more.
50% off or more.
That's what I said.
I was echoing your sentiment.
Swell.
So 40% off, so is it Thomasville.
Some 50% off or more beginning Saturday.
40% off dining room and bedroom.
Some 50% off or more.
40% off recliners and entertainment centers. Contemporary stuff, curvy stuff, overstuffed stuff.
Are you going to list everything?
It's a little test.
Well, the answer is yeah. Everything is 40% off. Some 50% off or more starting Saturday at the Thomasville Furniture Showroom in Meridian.
Starting Saturday.
You're fast.
I'm thorough.
The Thomasville Furniture Showroom's closed today, but open Saturday when everything is 40% off suggested retail, even custom orders. And closeout floor samples are 50% off or more. Beginning Saturday at Thomasville, just off Meridian exit I-84.
It's happening.
What's happening?
The Thomasville Store Meridian's open again, and absolutely everything is 40% off. Closeout floor samples, 50% off or more.
50% off or more.
That's what I said.
I know, I'm like an echo, here to reinforce the important stuff.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So whether you like contemporary, Southwest, traditional, any style.
Any style.
It's 40% off, even on custom orders.
Even custom orders.
And floor closeouts are 50% off or more.
50% off or more.
Bedroom, living room, dining room, spare room, any room.
Any room.
Thomasville's never had a sale like this before, and when things sell, they're moving in even more furniture from the warehouse, and it's 40% off or more.
What?
Aren't you going to repeat that? I mean, it's a pretty big deal.
I'm on break.
Echoes don't get breaks.
Echoes don't get breaks.
See, now you're just being
What?
yourself.
For the first time ever, everything at the Thomasville Furniture Showroom is 40% off suggested retail, even custom orders. And closeout floor samples are tagged at 50% off or more. Now, at the Thomasville store, just off the Meridian exit, I-84.